Intuit Credit Karma. This is a type of application or the website or software for you to manage your finances, and no matter your life path or goals, they're here to help you along with all your credit cards, loans, home loan, auto loan, insurance, and the money management. So this is they can provide everything you need to power your progress. So you can make better sense of your dollars and the cents. They will give you accurate insights of your finances and then less guessing, more successing. You can simply download this application from the main website as I'm showing you the same website. You can go and sign up your account with Intuit Credit Karma. This will help you to manage your finances. If you want to check your credit score, you can check it for free here. If you want a finance report of your account, you can get it on this application. So all in one, you can get all the details about your single account and every transaction from this one application. This is how you can use it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel.